Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video we will talking about the iPhone and iPad setting that do not change in any iOS version. So without any further delay, let's start. Now we are talking about the first one. Go to settings, scroll, find and tap on accessibility and tap on motion. And we have to turn off the reduce motion. What is the reduce motion? This option is turn on is effect on the iPhone animation, swipe up, swipe down, app switcher as well. So it's better turn off the reduce motion. Now we will move to the second one. Go back to settings. Now find and tap on privacy and tap location services. Turn on location services, scroll and tap system services. Scroll and tap significant location. This option is by default is turned on. We have to keep it off because this option continuously locate or your current location continuously. Better turn it off. Move to third one. Go back to settings, scroll and find and tap on battery, tap battery health, and in the end you can see optimize battery charging. What will this option do? When we charge our phone, it will charge to 80% very fastly, but after 80% it will charge your battery slowly. And also this option have keep in mind what time you will charge your iPhone. If you have habit to charge your iPhone overnight, then this option will work very fine. Next we are moved back to system services, settings, privacy, location services and tap system services. Here you can see many options. Apple Pay merchant, you can turn off compass calibration. If you're using Google Map or any other map application, then you have to turn it on. Device management and also emergency call and SOS you can enable, and Find My iPhone you must have to enable this option. And location based location is up to you. Mobile network search, yes, you have to turn it on, and also network and wireless, and setting time zone as well, because if you move to any other country, this option will detect your current location and set your time automatically. If you want to share your location, turn it on, otherwise turn it off. So we are talking about the significant location. Turn it off better is better for you because it's continuously read your current location. And iPhone analytics and routing traffic is up to you. Is want to turn it on or turn it off. In the end, we have to go back to settings, tap on accessibility. Here we have to tap on display and text size and turn on auto brightness. Right now it is turned off because I don't want to be change my display setting to making disturbance during the video making, so that's why I turn it off. Better turn it on because iPhone detect your location or the light and adjust your brightness according to your need. That's it. This is my little bit effort to save your battery, make iPhone performance better. Hopefully you will like it, so please hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.